to pay with Temu credit. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with Temu credits. So in order to pay with Temu credits, you need to open your Temu account, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're there in your Temu app, just click on the U section from the bottom of the screen. You will see the U option, so just tap on it. And here in the account settings, you will see all these options along with the option called credit balance right below the coupons and offers section. So you just simply have to click on credit balance, and here you will be able to see the credit balance that you have in your account right now. Currently I don't have any credit balance, as you can see right now on my screen, simply because I don't made any purchase in my Temu account as of now. But if you are using Temu quite frequently, you will be having a credit balance in your Temu account right over here. So in order to use that particular credit balance in your Temu account, you simply don't have to do anything. Yes, that's true. You don't have to do anything. What happens is, when you make any purchase in your Temu account, if your purchase or if your order is eligible for the credit balance that has been added in your Temu account, the Temu will automatically add this credit balance into your order automatically. You don't have to do anything for that. And once the credit balance added into your order that you are purchasing and the order is eligible for, the credit balance will deduct from your Temu account automatically. So this is basically how you will be able to pay with Temu credit in your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.